Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for this video, I know I'm late in terms of making the video, but I'm still publishing it today, which matters. So what I'll be doing is the Kissy-Fish. So to get started, start out by starting out with the letter, like regular paper that you get from the printer. And then you can, if you have origami papers, you can skip this step, but yeah. Fold it into a triangle, the usual. And then you fold this downwards. It goes to remove this flap, unnecessary flap. The more you do it, the more easier it gets. What you're just seeing is an experienced origaminist, if that's a word. So that's why I'm able to just do it easily, because of practice. So anyways, you do this and then you go on. So you have to fold it into thirds. So to do that, let me see if I can come up with a method here. Yeah, basically just do this until like this tip touches this tip and that tip touches that tip. You should get something like yeah, that's that. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that's it. That's how you do thirds. And yeah, you just get thirds. Like you're folding hands in the cross section. So when you do this, after you do this, fold this one that way. So fold it like this. I'm currently looking at the origami paper instructions, so bear with me. And I guess you do the same to this side. Yes, you do. So you fold it all the way. Make sure it's a triangle, because you want it a beautiful triangle. And then later on, you fold it up a bit. Yeah, you fold it up this way, so you get it like a nice triangle like that. And do it the same to this side, I believe. Yes sir, yes sir. So do it like that. And then afterwards, you fold it like this. Boom. And then you do the same to this side. Let me zoom in so you can actually see. Then you do the same to that side, like that. Boom, boom. And then later on, if I'm correct, you're supposed to fold this flap in like this way. But it's like the other way, so it's like this way. So you fold it in like this, right? And then like, so you can fold it this way to like create that crease of perfection. And then you can just go fold it the other way to complete the crease. And you get something like this. So now what you do is, let me just make sure I know. Okay, so you just unfold everything. So after you make sure the crease is like good on each, because yeah, then you just unfold everything. So then you end up with something like this. Problem is we're not getting that crosshatch. Oh, so don't unfold yet, sorry. Let's fix that problem again. So we're supposed to like fold in the crosshatch. So we're supposed to go like this. So fold it into a triangle like that. Make sure it's like folded well to a good triangle. Fold it down like that. And then you do the same on this side. Just make sure it's like folded properly, because you don't want to mess it up. Just like that. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, now that you have this X mark, now you can unfold. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now that you have this, what you're gonna do is fold this flap this way, and then you're gonna fold this in, so like that, and like that. I guess you're gonna fold this inwards, so it's like, oh wait, so you're gonna like reverse it. So let me show you. So it's gonna look like this. If I can show you properly, this will help. So go like this, then fold it this way, that way, and then you just fold it. Just like that, right? Because you just want, yep. So let's do the same here. So fold it that way, boom, boom. Fold it this way, boom, boom. Right? And then you go like this, and then you go like, either way, either this way or that way, it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's like folded properly, so you can get that crease, that nice crease like this. And then what you're gonna do is make sure to fold this downwards, like just recrease it, recrease this, and then do the same for this side. Recrease, and then recrease, and then you're left with that. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this tip here, so like it's gonna go all the way down here, and then you're just gonna fold it like that. Look at that sexy fold. You gotta do the same for this side, so you move this over here. Just like that. Yes, sir. So, once you're done with that, so this is gonna be the weird part. So you're just gonna, bear with me. So I'm guessing this goes, just gonna fold this way. I think you're supposed to fold it that way. So we're gonna fold these here. So to do that part, let me check. Hold up. So it's gonna look like this. I think so. It's just gonna like fold it that way. Then go like that, and go like that. I think so, and then you do the same for this side. Like that. And you just like fold it in. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. Did I do it right? Yeah, and then you just like let this flap loose. Like that, I'm guessing. And then, yeah, basically fold this flap up like that. Yeah, fold this flap up. Boom. Crease it up. Crease this one up too. Boom. Look at that fish. Looking so elegant. The thing is, the problem is that it's so straight. It's not like, oh, we're not supposed to bend it. Oops. So when you do it like this, make sure you fold it this way. So it just looks like that. There we go. So let me show you again. So you pull this one. Remember when you reverse fold that one? Pull it out. Fold this flap in. And then pull this triangle out like that. Then just boom. And then you have like a fish mouth now. Like that. Yeah. You see? Okay. Anyways, you fold this downwards. And zoom in. So you can get a nice focus. So we fold it downwards. Make sure you make that crease, that beautiful crease. And then you fold it this way. Like that. Nice, nice, good job. Next thing you do is you just fold it downwards like this. So it looks like this. Now what you're gonna do is fold this one. Why do you fold it inwards? That's weird. You fold it inwards like this. I'm guessing you do the same for this side, where you fold it inwards like that, right? I guess you do like that, like what I did there. Oh, wait. Take that back. So when you fold it inwards like this, the next flap you do is you fold it inwards and then you let this. So you fold it inwards and then you pull this flap downwards. Like that. I know it's weird. Yeah, you fold it inwards and you pull this flap downward like that. So boom. You get a fish that looks like this. And then all you gotta do is pull this in. So it's like that. And then you got a Kissy-Fish. Boop, 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 boop. Honestly, this is a fun project. Boop, boop. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Anyway, let's put eyes on it. Oh, I got my Thor pen here. So we're gonna put eyes. I'm gonna put eyes right here. And have it get like little bead eyes. You draw that inwards like that. Boom. And then we're just gonna correlate it. You see, we can see the circle a bit, so we're gonna see if we can pull it off. Even if it's not perfect, it's still good. And boom, right? Now that we have that, now it can look like the fish in the photo, just not rainbowy. You see? I told you. So, I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see ya. Boop, 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 boop.